Stop for a second. Think about your last English conversation. Did you feel like you were reading from a dry, dusty textbook? Or did you feel like a natural part of the conversation? Most students learn, "How are you?" and "I am fine, thank you." But in the real world, nobody talks like that. If you want to stop sounding like a robot and start sounding like a friend, you are in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the daily conversations you must know to survive and thrive. And back to help us get real is the amazing Lily. Hi, Lily.
Hi, Professor. I'm so excited. You know, I once had a student who went to London and said, "Greetings, kind shopkeeper. I desire to purchase this bread." The baker just stared at him. We need to bridge that gap between school English and street English.
Kind shopkeeper. That is classic. Let's start with something we do every day. The morning greeting. In school, it's hello. In real life, what do we say, Lily?
We say, "How's it going?" Or "What's up?" Or even just "Morning." And the answer isn't always, "I am fine." We usually say, "Not bad, you?" Or "Pretty good." It's short, it's fast, and it's friendly.
Not bad. You? Simple and effective. Now, Wolfpack, let's train your ears and your mouth. We are going to do some shadowing. Speak out loud with us to get that natural rhythm. Hey, Lily. How's it going? Not bad. Just a bit tired.
Hey, Lily. How's it going? Not bad. Just a bit tired, to be honest. Great job. Did you hear that? To be honest. That is a filler. It makes you sound much more native. Now, let's move to the next situation. Ordering at a cafe. This is where people get very nervous. Yes! People often say, "I want a coffee." It's okay, but it's a bit direct. Natives use, "Can I get?" or "I'll have." It sounds much softer. And we always add "please" at the end. "Can I get a latte, please?" It's a magic sentence. And what about the small talk while you wait for the coffee? Oh, we love talking about the weather or how busy the shop is. "Busy morning, huh?" Or "Nice weather today, isn't it?" It's just a way to be polite and connect. Let's shadow a cafe conversation. Imagine you are standing at the counter right now. "Hi there. Can I get a large Americano? To go, please?" "Busy morning, huh? Hi there. Can I get a large Americano? To go, please?" "Busy morning, huh? Hi there. Can I get a large Americano? To go, please?" "Busy morning, huh? Hi there. Can I get a large Americano? To go, please?" Tony, how's it going?
Excellent. Now, Lily, let's talk about a difficult situation. Asking for help in a store.
This is important. Don't just wander around for an hour. Use the phrase, "Excuse me, do you happen to have," or "I'm looking for." It's very polite. And if they don't have it, just say, "No worries. Thanks anyway."
No worries. That is a phrase you will hear 1,000 times a day. It means it's okay or you're welcome.
It's the ultimate native phrase. You can use it for almost anything.
Okay, let's look at one more situation. Making plans with a friend. Instead of, do you want to meet, what do we say?
We use hang out. Do you want to hang out this weekend? Or are you free later? It's casual and relaxed.
Are you free later? I use that all the time. Let's do one last big shadowing block. This combines everything: greetings, small talk, and making plans. Hey! Long time no see. How have you been? I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. We should hang out soon. Are you free? This weekend?
Hey, long time no see. How have you been? I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. We should hang out soon. Are you free this weekend?
Wow, Wolfpack, you are sounding amazing. You are moving away from the textbook and into the real world. Lily, any final advice for our speakers?
Yes! Listen for these chunks of language. Don't try to translate word for word. Just learn the whole phrase, like, how's it going? Or, no worries. It's much easier.
Perfect advice. Now it's time for our big final quiz. Let's see if you can pick the most natural native response. Here is the situation. You walk into a shop and a worker says, "Hi there, can I help you find anything?" You are just looking and don't need help. What do you say? A. No, I do not require your assistance. B. I am just observing the objects. C. I'm just looking, thanks.
The answer is C. I'm just looking, thanks, is the perfect, polite, and natural way to answer.
Exactly. If you chose C, you are officially part of the pack. Lily, thank you for making daily English so easy today.
My pleasure, Professor. See you next time, Wolfpack.
And now, your Wolfpack homework. Go to the comments and write your favorite real talk phrase from today. Is it no worries or what's up? Tell us. I'll be there to check your work. Stay curious, keep shadowing, and keep talking. This is Professor Wolfizzle and Lily signing off.
Bye-bye, everyone. Take it easy.